Yo, what's up guys? I want to show you guys how I made this particular music cover in less than 3 minutes, and it's really a short process, and I just want to show you guys the process I went through to create this music art cover. Sometimes what really make my work so fast and easy, or let me say easier, is that the client's image, the client's outfit sometimes determines how very quick I can create a music cover. You know, the kind of posture, the color of the outfit the artist or the client is putting on really plays a lot of role when you are making a music art cover, especially when you want to play around manipulating a particular image. So images are very important. Good images, quote that, good images are very important when you are creating music covers. So let me hide this and I'll walk you through the process. So this is the background I downloaded online, although I've enhanced it using my levels, curves and exposure to get this result. And I downloaded this truck tanker on Google as well, and I played around my selective color. This is my selective color here. I played around it. This is it here. So I played around it to get this result, although I've tried it several times. I tried until I got this particular one that I feel it's cool for the project I'm working on. And this is a radio, a old radio so to speak, I downloaded online. I added a shaky blur to it, which is more of like a motion blur, and this is my shadow. I used my brush to create the shadow, and this is my logo. This is restricted logo. Okay, sorry. This is the title of the song, although I've done some adjustments. Color, outer glow, color overlay. I've used my blending option to enhance this particular type font, this one. Then I use the same font for the artist name. Here, this is the artist image. I've done some editings and adjustments too, and this is the shadow I created beneath. This is the producer's name. And I think I downloaded this grunge black background online. Then I changed my blending mode to screen. Then I change my blending mode to screen. Then I adjust my opacity. Then the microphone grouped together with a lens flare downloaded on Google as well. So this is it. As simple as this.